Hi there, my name's Amy. I'm a horticulturist here at the Greenery Garden Home in Heidelberg, and it's October, which means it's spring. And today I'm going to be answering 5 of the most frequently asked questions that we get here at the Greenery. So the first question that I'm going to be answering is there a plant that will be flowering all year round in my garden? Now, there isn't really anything that flowers all the year round, but geraniums flower for a really long time. And any of your flowering plants you can keep going by deadheading, cutting them back well, and feeding them regularly. The second question is, what is a plant that will flower in a shaded position? And impatiens are fantastic in the shade. They come in a range of different colours like orange, pink and white, and they get to about 20 to 30 centimetres high. The third question is, how do I get my petunias flowering for longer? And the best way to do that is to make sure that you're feeding them. Sulphate of potash has a lot of potassium in it, and that keeps the flowers going for a long time. And you can also deadhead them. I have a video where I show you how to do that correctly. The fourth question is, what are 3 flowering plants that I can put in a hanging basket on my balcony? Here I've got alyssum. These come in white, coral and purple. And then lobelia is also a lovely cascading plant that come in a range of different colours. They will cascade down and look really lovely. And dianthus here is a beautiful tough plant that's a little bit upright to create a bit of shape and dimension in your hanging basket. The fifth question is, what kind of flowering plants can I put in a hot spot? Now, these are areas in your garden that get a lot of heat and sun, and there are some annuals that you can add like petunias and marigolds that really don't mind the heat at all, or perennials like osteospermums here. These come in a range of different colours. And geraniums are also a really hardy plant. Now, if you're a native lover like me, the kangaroo paw is beautiful as well. Thanks so much for watching. Please let us know in the comments if you have any more questions, or you can come and ask any of our friendly staff here at the Greenery Garden Home in Heidelberg. We're open 6.5 days a week.